Good morning, everybody. Spirit wants us to know where there was discord with family and friends. We asked our angels for help and we've reclaimed our power. We've changed our life for the better and we did receive sudden revelation that offered us freedom. We in control of our own lives and it's positive, and spirit wants us to know that they're enjoying the positive transformation that we've made. There's a light at the end of the tunnel and we can see it. Breathe a sign of relief and make new plans for yourself. um, you have increased your spiritual development, your enlightenment, your awareness, and your understanding. You're bringing peace and love into your life, and this is helping you recover from the past. Um, and then the loved ones want us to know that we must reach for the stars. You deserve only the best, and this is all you must focus your attention on. We're moving forward in our lives, excited for the future and positive. It's an end to old things that don't serve us and new beginnings. We've taken that leap of faith, and with trust and faith, we are moving forward. We are still waiting and being patient for letters, news, things like that. But we will realize, and we do realize, that delays are necessary. We are staying rational and we are in deep gratitude for where we are at the moment. We are getting love and light and help from our angels, and that is helping us see the bright future that is ahead of us. We know that success is available to us with good plans and hard work, maybe. There's something we don't see coming, and while we're waiting and being patient, we must understand that a chain of events will affect our lives. There's going to be victory and stability as we move forward on our positive journey. And we must always trust our intuition and do what's right for us. Thank you very much for watching.